In this car, it is using Kenwood DDX917WS. So to change the startup screen, actually I followed from another website. So I will just show you how to come to that mode. The rest of the things you can actually follow from that documentation itself. The only thing you need to watch out is, first thing, you need to do the preparation of the image you are going to put in. When I tried, I just tried. You need to ensure that with the player, actually they are given some specifications inside that site also. You can go through that chart, and for our play, for this DDX917, it is actually based on a specific format, and it has to be 16-bit and also RGB. So you need to, while editing the image, you need to edit it according to that spec. When you save the file, it has to be in. While editing the image, you need to edit it according to that spec. When you save the file, it has to be in bit BMP format, and if any of this is not done accordingly, then you won't get a clear picture. You will be just getting a distorted picture, or maybe completely you cannot even see the picture. It will be just a distorted color inside, So these are the basic thing you need to know. So for startup, you need to put 2 files into a thumb drive. First, you need to format that thumb drive and make sure that there is no other files inside. No other files, okay? So there should be only 2 files inside. And I have this thumb drive with only 2 files inside. So one is a text file, which they are given in the site. The other one is the image file, which I have moved into this thumb drive. So I have this one here, which is connecting to my stereo, my head unit. Okay, so I have hooked up. So before you start, hook up into the USB port. So yeah, switch on the HU. Here goes. Okay, so this is what I have put in for this, because mine is a Mitsubishi Outlander, and this is a background screen. Okay, so this is also I just made for my car. Okay, this is the default message. So basically, to go into that mode, let me bring it to the standby mode so that it will be easier. Okay, this is the standby mode. Okay, so basically you need to press twice here and twice here, once and once. So here you can see the customized menu. In this the first option is to do the startup customization. So once you put the thumb drive with the text file as well as the image file with BMP format, once you click this, it will automatically recognize that. If it cannot even recognize your thumb drive, it won't be activated. You cannot even click this. So since it is activated, you can actually read that. Okay, and if ever you had gone wrong, I mean, like your picture is distorted when you see, what you need to bring back to the original picture is that, inside the text file, you need to put it into the computer. You need to edit. There's one parameter. There's only 4 or 5 lines inside that text file, So there's one line which shows a number 9 something, That one you need to change that to 0000 to initialize it back to the original Kenwood logo. Okay, so that's all. Then once you put this, you click the opening customize, it will come to a screen. Then after that it will say OK. Then you just click the back button and you are done. Okay, so and then once you switch on, see it'll bring you to this the logo whatever you have put, and this is my background, the background which I have created and put. So now let's go to the second portion, how to change the background of this one. So basically earlier we were seeing is changing the startup screen. So now it's the second portion. So how to change this? We have to go to menu, and under menu setup, here you could see display user interface. Go to display. Under display you can see background. So this is where we are changing. If you notice, here is already a few. These all are default ones, which is being given by Kenwood itself. These two are the ones which I have put in, I have added in. You can see this like user 1 select, and this is user 2 select, So this one I actually included, I added in. So as what we had done for the other image, this also the best format here will be to put it under 800 by 480, the size of the image. So here you could see that it is not showing, right? It is not coming up. The reason is because there is no thumb drive. I haven't put the thumb drive. So once you put the thumb drive, here it will be highlighted so that you can select. So let me put the thumb drive. I'm just using back the old one. Okay, I put the thumb drive. Yeah, see, it had lighted up, highlighted. So here you can select. If you select this one, it will bring to the one which is inside the thumb drive. So here you can select which one you want, and then you can actually put it inside. So once you are selected, basically you are selecting that, whatever you are putting, you are selecting. Then once you are selected, you go back. Maybe I'll show you. Actually I'm using this one, I don't want to change now, so just use the other one. I'll use a select 2. I will try to change and show you. So yeah, so here it says the background memory. So do you want to adjust anything? If not, you just directly go for enter. Okay, so it is being saved. Maybe I'll show a different picture so that it will be easier to understand. Okay, then enter. So that's it. So now this is the image which we'll be seeing as background. See here, you can see the picture as this one. So that's simple. Once again, display, background. Let me put it back. Yep. And enter. Okay, so that's all. And just to show you also, here you see the color. This also you can change the key colors. Now I put like it's keep on changing, that it's actually scanning, Here also you can change, you can feed in the color. Maybe to show you, I'll just change that to blue. See, it doesn't change, it's just blue. Change it back to color. Okay, so that's all. Hope you can try out. Okay, just to also highlight again, if you're using another model of Kenwood, go to that site, the site URL I'll give below. Go to that site, they have specification for different models, and then the size what you're putting in, because it all depends on the size of this player, you know. So if the sizing, if the image is not cut into that size, then it won't be clear. So that's why it is very important. So you need to look at the chart to understand what is the size for your player and edit it accordingly. Thank you very much for watching.